all this baby factory. Baby factory now don't become business for Nigeria now. People go they pretend they say they get a belly, but they not get a belly. When time call reach like 9 months reach to go born, they will carry waka enter hospital. Go carry person picking, wait up with them picking come out for inside the hospital. Confession of human trafficking, all those baby factory. Make una see am.
The thing what brought me for Lagos, that Mrs. Johnson called me saying they his friend. And I've been telling him say since I know they do the business again. But the thing brought me here, they say I go connect her for that woman when I've been telling you now.
The Maria.
Yeah, because since 2017, I left for her back.
So how much did you people agree that you are going to be doing this work? Because you cannot start coming to Lagos without talking money now.
Again, we know the same thing. She understands me now.
So how much did you are telling me the truth? You have to tell me the truth because I will ask Mrs. Johnson. If she come here now, tell me you call another money, I will not be happy. Tell me how much did you tell Mrs. Johnson her friend is going to pay? That's what I'm asking you. Just tell me the truth.
I've been called Mrs. Johnson. The time when you call me, let me say my 2.5 where she will pay.
2.5 million.
I've been the one that helped me. And I've been telling him.
Yes.
I've been telling him. Say na 2.5.
Okay.
Where she will pay. Because no be me.
2.5 million for picking. To thief person picking.
Me and he don't take for that year 2017 before that man he don't never even.
But he told me inside vehicle that he came to deliver woman for last year.
Mommy,
For
this is what I tell you now.
my shoe.
Where you
And
collect?
then go to the boat, they say last year to deliver.
This one
You
what
say you source it 270.
this one what I tell you now. Even if you carry mirror now, you could see and physically. The mirror will tell you say, now that one what I tell you now like. Here what I do now.
Which mirror did you
Huh? Mirror, that is all.
You were telling lie before. Now tell the truth.
Yeah, I'm gonna wagon no one I'm gonna ship before. Now if I'm not now, we take it twice. Because I'm way twice now. If I'm not now, I got my free. So I won't quiz you come out free. So I'm way twice a bad mood and they cannot even save me. Because as I did now, if God to touch you now help me because I know the husband, I know the mama, I know the papa. So that's why this woman see me as I dey suffer. He tell me connect me for this business. That's why I take.
Which woman connect you?
Anyway. I no go fit play all the video finish. Basically, wetin dem dey talk on top the matter now na say. So they say women dey claim cryptic pregnancy and they go buy and they sell children. Now they say girls na boy na 2.5 million. I been a girls na 2. I don't know, but the prices they different. Boys they more expensive than girls. So now wetin they go on now. This woman one way why they play the video now. Now woman when it be say they arrest the woman on top of this baby factory thing, and then she begin confess all the things where they be say she range take they do. You get one short one to make her play that short one. Ma play the shorter one, make una hear the shorter one.
And it's a man.
See, this Mrs. Johnson where I deliver now. She told me that the person where deliver her before tell her that she carry another baby. You get the thing when they talk about. Now that day when your husband, she come with your husband. Now the thing where they talk.
Okay.
Are you hearing me now?
Yes.
She said that.
So why didn't they go to that person? Why did they now come to you?
I don't know. Even that day.
Even that day, what happened?
That day where they come. I don't know say you don't know everything. Because if you carry belly, you go know say you carry belly. You have to say your husband did know everything.
He did not know. Because they were giving him medicine now. They are giving him medicine to drink. But you know the people that were giving him medicine to drink. Did they tell you about it? Did they tell you they were giving him medicine to drink for pregnancy?
He as the day when she tell me that now that the way she came with her husband. When then they talk about deliver. He said the person will give her medicine, they different.
The person that gave them the medicine is different.
So I don't know whether that one born for them before.
For the first set.
First set, I don't know.
Okay.
Anyway, when I don't hear them, if you understand that, na so it be. Because different things they go on for this world now. I just say make I talk that part before we go into the main thing we carry us enter our backyard for today. This matter of selling children, not be everybody when it be say you say carry pikin, na then to throw bunda pikin. Some na buy them buy pikin. And some nurses where they hospital check them doctors. Now then they do this business cold deadly. Cold deadly. They sell people children. You go hospital, you go carry belly for 9 months, go hospital, go born. They'll come outside contact say either your pikin don't die or one thing or the other. Meanwhile, they don't sell your pikin. Give another person where get money. See people then they get waiting list. What you they talk? They get waiting list for this for this selling of children. They get waiting list.
Waiting list.
Yes.
Just as jam.
Oh, you go see person go they wait. For, I just know one call the person who sent me this thing. I go ask approval before I call. They get waiting list. Some people go they wait for list for like 2 years. Yes. Some go pay as high as 7 million, 10 million. They wait for picking. You go say the person don't get beleo. Oh yeah, who go they wait.
Hardness.
So I don't know, I don't know the wickedness where the human beings' body. In fact, it's so the evil. For some girls now to carry belly, it be like I beg you. I beg you carry belly inside the pikin. What they cause me? In fact, it don't even go farther than selling pikin. Now, girls, for them, slim girls now, where, say what in the rain for girls now for social media now, thick babes. Person where get bum, way in body thick, where. You know what in girls they do now to get thick? Then go carry belly. At 4 months or 5 months, then go abort the pikin so that then go add weight.
The pain where they
don't care.
Through.
They don't care.
Yeah, I just hear this one.
Oh, you just hear them?
Hey!
Sit down there.
Look what me
Now, what thing they go on now? Nothing girls they do now. They go carry belly now because they want add better weight. Wait for the some of the time when you get belly, you go add weight for breast, you go add weight for every hip go come out. So then they carry belly now at 4 months or 5 months. Now they exceed 5 months, then go abort the pikin.
It don't make sense.
So I don't know the kind of wickedness where they go on for the world now. Sometimes I go sit down, they think I say whether not to run come out for this earth now remain because I know not to run go mass because the wickedness even another earth it don't too much.
It don't too much.
Now what you not understand on top this matter now say look now very huge business now in this thing be when I mean huge business very very huge business now it be now the information when they be say me I get on top this video where they play now this woman one of the major thing when they be say she they do her own ring now to collect the children then immediately the person born they go just carry the pikin sharp through where I'm give the person when they be say they buy the pikin. Now the ones where they sell give people where they outside Nigeria those ones now like 10 million from 7 million upward and they sell children where they
when they go sell, when they go export.
Where they go export. So now export they export their own. Then local one they do local and that local one be 2.5 million. The ones what they do for inside Nigeria here now be 2.5 million. Organic, please, women don't even go labor room. Don't go alone to labor room. Someone should always be at the door. Or if you are told the child die, please ask for the body. Meg from Aja and I talk this one. So this one talk say, may God help TTC mothers. So they go through a lot just to get a child. All these so-called doctors and midwives that are into this business don't tell their victims what they normally do. It's called cryptic pregnancy, and they will tell their victims not to go for a scan or visit any other hospital for treatment or delivery until date given. Then they inject their victim and make them unconscious until their wickedness is completely done. Most women are carrying children that are not their own and unknowingly to them. One of my neighbor that was a victim, but he failed. That was how we got to know. Hello, Woody there.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Hey, give us what you want to talk about this child factory matter. You know anybody where they do them? You know where they do them? You know who don't suffer them? You know who don't buy pikin?
Yes, sir. I know who don't suffer. My cousin has passed through such things. She went to the hospital. She delivered twins. So she was unconscious by then. And we were running up and down to make sure that we make things okay. To arrange one or two things for her.
Yes.
So unfortunately for us, when the husband came to the hospital to take the children home,
Yes.
they brought only one child.
Oh wow.
She delivered a baby girl and a baby boy.
Yes.
They brought only one child. The husband was like, where is the other one? They say, no, your wife gave birth to one
Chineke.
child. The husband just slapped the nurse. That their cap just fall down. The doctor was like, what is going on? He said, ask your nurse, what is going on? The husband was very angry and he said he wants to sue the hospital to court if they did not bring him. That is when the nurse went in and brought the other child again and come and give to us. The husband was like, he did not know the real one that they could have set out. Is it the boy old or the girl old? He did not know. So he was very angry with them. He was angry with the doctor. He was angry with the nurses there. All of them, the doctor was saying
Now for Lagos here, this thing happen.
No, not for Lagos anyway. It's from Imo State. That thing happened. Imo State. The husband was begging, the daughter was begging the husband, should calm down, God, calm down, no talk, calm down. We go settle this matter, The man was very angry. How will somebody deliver twins and you take one? You say it's only one. And all of us that we are there, they scan.
The scan show they say twins they inside.
Yes. Everybody, even the baby twins we bought is for twins. And you now tell us that it's one. Okay, if the other one died, where is the dead body?
Where exactly?
Before the now went and brought the other baby now come and give to us, we leave the place.
Jesus.
Hi.
My sister, thank you very much. Oh. Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Talk to us. We hear you.
Banedu, Njideka.
Njideka, talk to us.
Banedu,
Eh?
I know this thing well. Two people were there myself from my shop said, my old shop said, one girl, once you don't get belly, one not, two of them will come do the plan. Once you don't get belly to born, the girl will carry belly born, people will come they buy them. Then the other boy calls pass girl.
Yes, boy calls pass girls.
Yes. Now the business way she and that not they do. She does rent the room. So they do that business, she and the girl. Then the other one with my shop said, if he carry go born, don't do 6 times.
6
so
times?
The 7-1. The third one I can't kill her. She died straight. That one kill her because the sin is too much. She died. She give up for the 7-1 which she want to do. That one I take her life because she's doing evil. People they buy. One woman with them as an picking way by due to they not feel born. They not people buy a picking for her. What thing they go do? And she need baby. Do you know what? Some people when you buy that picking, from there if you show love to those children, your own will come. If you do bad for them, your own will not come. Because that one way they show love, you make your own baby to come. But that one she not feel born. She not to go and buy the baby. Now church say buy that one for them and baby.
Oh, now church buy for them.
Yes.
Hey! Jesus!
People buy them for them.
Church, supporters club.
Where they buy those children, every weekend they will come there. Come look whether they take care of the boy. They can't take her. Things they happen, no, now make go happen. Well, if I get the last time, go hospital, tell me say this and happen. That hospital I make go burn am for my front, I go poof where. But guess I there for pain, so they gonna take a pass letter. They not fit try for myself.
Hey!
I open my 2 eyes like the kodo. They shine like really. Look at like this, I see my baby carry. I did they come out last time, oh, jack up for their hand. May God help us. So
thank you.
All these nuts, now they chop. But they see money there.
Hey!
All
Church!
the nurse to them.
Church.
Okay, no man leave the nurse on.
House of God.
Jesus!
House of God.
Wow.
Jesus!
Wow.
Hey!
Wow.
See na church they help them buy them. Hey, bele.
So maybe after pastor don't pray, you will receive.
You will
You
receive.
don't receive
No
nothing.
blessing, miracle. They will
You
not
say you will
say
receive
God.
by let us go and buy it
They will not say
illegally.
miracle in church and be deceiving other people.
Jesus is Lord.
It's only God that has the manual.
Jesus is Lord.
Oh,
I beg.
hey.
Hey. Hello.
Oh, God, they do.
Good morning, oh.
Jesus. Now, good morning.
Good
morning,
morning.
ma.
So, Bobella, good morning.
Money. Oh.
This is the good morning.
Good
Dear
morning,
of
ma.
life.
Hey.
Hey, now well done. Since how many this month? I don't know. This our backyard. Who don't adjust the kwam? Hey, I don't call sense. I go to fear. My ear go to do when. Hey, see here, Oganedu.
Yes.
You get one girl with me. I know the girl dey Port Harcourt.
Yes.
That school ain't go. Somebody come say see and say get belle.
Yeah.
So now we dey hear say the girl don born.
Yes.
Say na this born pikin said now she dey do
Now
for
she dey-
there. Na student o.
Wow.
Student. If he born pikin, he go sell am. He go carry money. If he dey come Lagos, the girl still dey o. I know the girl dey see am every day. If you see am, you sef go say this girl I been abroad from dey come. Because he dey sell the pikin, dey collect money. You see, when I want to have my third child, great.
Yes.
My husband no dey around. My husband call one of him brother. He say, follow my wife go hospital. I know dey. Make you stay there. When he born finish, make you see how dem go do the pikin. But me, I no understand. I
Yes.
see the young lady. I never get sense.
Yes.
So when the brother come, I born everything. He dey there. Even sef, I call the first. I say, which one be this brother old sef? But me, I no understand. When my husband come to and say, why you tell this brother Fabian, may he follow me go hospital, do this one, do this one.
Yes.
He can't say my wife, you no go understand. When they no carry another person pikin give me, I know they there.
Wow.
So now when I come they see all this thing where they happen, now I come they say, this thing, so it don't stay where it don't they happen. We they watch am for telling now, we they see many women, when they gather girls, they go give them belly, they go they born with different men, different boys. Go they give them belly, then go they born, then go they carry the pikin. So I just pray, may God help us. Like you talk, many women they with pikin when no be their own.
Hey, thank you, Joe. Anyway, he get one person when he be say one call now. Where say plenty of impatience. They carry pikin with them by. So now we dey call for phone now. Make you give us hello.
Hello, good morning.
Talk to us. We dey hear you. Give us the gist. We dey hear you.
This topic where you should come.
Yes.
I'm so surprised that the things to enter our ears. You don't the happen not be 5 years, not be 6 years.
Wow.
This matter, as they tell you so. The area they're expecting now, Okota here they do am.
Okota.
Okota, steady. Then they do am. These people then get affiliation with hospitals, government hospitals, loot,
Wow.
general, private, even police are involved.
Jesus. Wait.
All these are police stations, they are involved.
I
I know of a patient.
go on.
I know of a patient of mine. This is a patient that is close to me, the same area where we did. So after 2019, I was pregnant with my son.
Yes.
So then I was 4 months pregnant.
Yes.
So she had this issue of fibroid. The hospital where I work, the doctor counseled her that she has to remove the fibroid. You know when desperation has eaten into people's brain.
Yes.
Organic, they know they think. This woman wants to carry a baby so much, and at the same time, our pastors, our churches, in fact, the things that they do for our society, the way that they cajole people, they deceive people, they are not helping matters.
Jesus.
When doctor tells you, when you see a good doctor that tells you this thing is what you have to do, they will go to church, pastor will come and tell them that they saw a vision where they are carrying triplets, where they are carrying this, it's not fibroid. You know, people, church mentality don't enter their brain. They don't think it's what they want to hear. When you tell them what they want to hear, they will feel you are the God they'll be looking for. So this woman now, I was 4 months pregnant. I saw her before I was pregnant. They counted, and she was like, okay, January 2019. She was counted for the Sunday that she wanted to. She will come and do the Sunday. So that 2018, I was pregnant 4 months. When she now came, and I saw her, I said, Mama, it's better you do this thing so that you have time to prepare yourself because this is what we are looking for, and we achieved that after the Sunday. She was like, okay, no problem. Then somebody now took her somewhere where she said she went to one place like that, and they said the moment she laid down on the couch, the woman just protested her stomach, all of that. The woman just said, madam, you are 5 months pregnant already.
Hey.
I swear to God. So when I was pregnant, she didn't know I was pregnant. So when she now saw me again after like 3 months after, so I now saw her. I said, "Alpha, we told you we didn't see you." They said, that time God did not told you this, that, so that where they took her to, they perfected their stomach, and they told her that same month, that was November last year now, November 2018.
Yes.
That same month we saw that they told her she was already 5 months gone, meaning she was a month ahead of me in the pregnancy now. I just said, okay, no problem. No, some of all these people, when you start talking, they'll see you have an
exactly.
I just raised it. I said, no problem. Organizing. My son, I gave birth to my son, April 2019. April, my son was 6 months after I saw this lady. This lady was still, she was Nigerians when our high goes. She was still in the notion that she was still pregnant. That the woman told her the pregnancy is cryptic, that ordinary scan cannot see it.
Me when a fibroid he carry.
She was carrying fibroid. Meaning day in, day out. There's no day she will not bleed. This woman comes to the hospital, take blood, 2 pounds, 3 pounds of blood. That she should not allow doctors to do scan for her, that this our normal scan will not see.
What kind of wickedness is this?
It's cryptic, the baby is in somewhere. They will give them hormonal drugs that will make them feel as if they are pregnant. They will be trained up, their body will look chubby. They will just be getting fat. When you see them, you think, they are pregnant. Those things are hormonal drugs they build them on. Injection drugs and all of that. When I saw her, that was, my son was already 6 months when I saw her. She was still, every time she would say, I'm vomiting. I'll say, look at this man. I was just looking at her. You are killing yourself.
You see, with the year they talk, who you go run to for help? Nobody.
Who shall you run to?
Last, now only God now you get as human being.
That's really valid thing.
Church, we're supposed to help, they make them worse every day. So some of una go need understand when I dey against church sometimes. Una go dey see am small. Not be everything where I know again about church I fit talk. I'm not fit. I want make una use una eye dey see am on herself. Let's say loot. According to what she talk, say loot they involved. According to what she talk, say police they involved. According to what she talk, different people they involved. Who you want to run go meet for help?
So now anybody who want born now, you know they're safe again.
You know
You're not.
That's what they born for us now.
Since
we don't trust anybody again. Government, police, hospital. We move.
My sister, welcome back. Would they hear you? Continue. Would they hear you?
No problem, sir. At the time I saw her, after that 6 months, the other will rush her to the hospital. She will come. She will take 2 pounds of blood, 3 pounds of blood. This woman was looking pale, and she will still be like, if you see her normal person, we will know she is not pregnant. We'll keep advising her. She said, no, that the doctor that is seeing her said the baby is cryptic. She doesn't want to take anything that will cause the baby harm, blah, blah, blah. All of those things, she was dying. 2020, yes, 2019, December 2019. So she was really down. Her blood level was low. So my doctor just told her that she should just go to wherever they are taking care of the pregnancy to go and continue there. That he does not want anything that will implicate him and the hospital. That from his own death knowledge, he knows what to do. But since you are against it, just go to where they are taking care of it. So the woman, the person that was as in giving her that baby, that was supposed to give her the baby, now told her that the baby was twins, that she was carrying twins, a boy and a girl.
Wow.
So at that point, it was like the woman had issue. There was no baby to give to her, so she started posting her.
Okay, the pikin be never day.
The pikin never day. So they had already told she and her husband that it was twins, a boy and a girl, that the woman was expecting. So then now they could not find a boy and a girl. At the time they gave her that she was going to deliver. So they now started posting them. Okay, this next month the baby will be due. Next month, and desperation did not allow them to focus and see what is right in front of them. They were just believing until December 2020. That was when the woman found somebody that gave birth to a baby girl. now called her that she should come in for the surgery. The husband now went. The husband paid nothing less than 6 million naira for what I'm telling you. The last day he made that payment, I was in the hospital. And he came and the woman told him that he should go and make the payment, that if they don't confirm that payment, they will not attend to the wife. The man rushed outside, went to the bank and made that payment of almost 6.something million. That's excluding the blood and whatever that she was going to take. So they now took her to wherever they said they did the whatever. It was the next day, and I said, okay, let me call them since they are my patients.
Yes.
And I called the husband. The after what I said, they are in loot, so that it was loot, that the wife gave them to set of things, that the baby boy died, that is the girl that is
survived
alive, that the girl survived. I was just looking at them. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. So me, I even thought this thing was limited. I did not know that this thing has gone international. That everywhere, those doctors, they are involved in all of these things. Police officers, all of them, they are involved.
The one where you talk about the one where you talk about loot. How so? Even loot they involve, our police, all of them they involve. So now who want to help who?
Wickedness.
I don't know. You know these people, they have an organization.
Yes.
They have affiliation with all these doctors that work in all of these places. They will just book you. Okay, this one will book you today for your own, next tomorrow for your own. We know how all these things work because we are into the medical field.
Wow.
We know how all these things work. So eventually she almost died in the process. And when the woman came back, after everything, and I saw her in February 2020. When I saw her, the husband is fair. The husband is fair. Behold and behold, the baby they gave to them was like chapeau. Everybody at the hospital, they're looking at them like you're so dumbfounded. We didn't know what to say. Everybody, she said, what? I said, madam, me they have bad mouth. Oh, God forgive me. I said, madam, this one, your ancestors, this one is them. The woman was like, Mommy, this is not a serious person. I said, this one black. So now Blackie with this, so Blackie United. They do this thing. I know of so many people. Desperation, they will start acting as if they are pregnant. They are not pregnant. Some people used to carry the empty baby bomb.
What?
They buy it.
What?
When they come for antenatal, they will be pretending. They don't want doctor to touch me. I don't want this doctor to touch me. Don't touch me. Don't protect. Don't do this. All those things, we know all those things. Wow. You see it every day in the hospital. They pay money for this thing.
Anyway, thank you very much, my sister. I appreciate your talking to us. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. You see,
I'm
actually sad.
I mean, just say on Wednesday today we will rest.
What we talk on Wednesday? That today make we rest.
No, that is today
my
we
chest
just
is paining
rest
me.
in
My
peace.
heart is paining me.
But now I don't say that at the beginning of
you see, I dey fear. I dey fear. Humanity don't die. You see, what if this woman now can't die from that fibroid where it dey wait for pikin? The woman knows say not be belle she carry. The husband, Abi she not, according to the story, she not know.
It's like blessed she not know.
She not know. She not know.
The other woman when they contract the arrangement say she carry belle.
She carry belle.
So she was waiting on the
She was waiting. Now, belle where you carry, person where you carry belle before, don't born 6 months after you never still born.
Never still born.
Yet na belle you carry. Now Jesus Christ you want born.
Na resume pick they build up.
Anyway, make we go back to our phone line.
Hello.
Hello, Letubai. Good morning.
Would they hear you? Good morning.
Morning, madam.
Well done. Na Gloria Hope.
Gloria, talk to us, Biko.
Nedu, it's too much. No be saying now they start, but only God will help. But thank God thing they come out now.
Yes.
You see for Abba, small, just small girls, if they get belly, they will carry them, keep for hospital, taking care of them. Person will go buy them, they already they down.
Then they get
Person will go buy them. Person will go buy them, if he did this Lagos, they said the money, take care of that child. See, maybe that lady born, they will collect it. Come back to Lagos. I know that one clear. I know the person years back. You say you get better. We dey Lagos here. The next thing we go now to go east, carry pikin come.
Come back, you go say you go born.
Yes. I did the one where they say they will carry, they will give them medicine. They say they get belle. I say for Muwoba that agree. Say one woman they give them medicine, herbal medicine. They will put it for pot. They will collect the drink. Say they get belle. Belle go they big, body go they change. That one na my friend. I say that lady nearly die.
Wow.
Now for our room like this, they blood because they give her mouth. I go tell you what is your problem. This thing no they come out. It never reach to born. You say I get bad mouth. Which kind of friend I be? After they tell you what I see. When the thing happen, then later she come and say, no, I got the help am. Say small time, something they come out from body. Now I can't say no be belle. She get. She says if you say anybody when they go there, you go tell the person, make the person they go. Even the person sometimes they go, no agree. Tell the belly when they come out. They tell us the belly go, the pikin go back. The pikin hide for back. He hide for this.
Now what thing they tell them?
Yes, that's what that woman did. Now they no say no get any belly since that time. I tell you, say go and wash yourself. Make you come and no say you no get. And that time they know they believe. Oh, he say if you come there, all the way from inside Lagos to Badagry, let the mama they give them that medicine. Yeah. They put up for pot. They say they come, they collect. Even young girls, they wash it. They drink for. Make them no get this. When I say, why can young girls they drink all these herbal things when you never marry? May God help us. If not to say, they say picking well.
Hi,
all of them get yes. They say picking well.
Thank you very much.
Even they fear me. Any picking self, well, if you say the five picking, if I see you get picking self, I go in the fear to touch that because then they're picking through.
Thank you, Joe. Shebi get one WhatsApp message here now. He said 3 months after. Wait. He say he get one lady wey do am for their compound. He say she then know say before she travel say she not get belle. As she just travel 3 weeks later, he don't come back say he don't carry he don't born pikin. Yeah.
Now so they take bomb picking like that.
So my question now say, I beg make una not vex. Wetin be the difference from adopting people? Why not go through the process of adopting children?
Exactly.
Why it be say na Nigeria una go dey here dey thief pikin? Why? For obodo yibo, adopting a pikin na small thing. E no dey take anything. Sharp e don go, e don adopt, e don comot.
Unnecessary evil.
Eh? This one say Oganedu, my classmate Esther took up as a normal lifestyle. She gets pregnant and sell the baby as soon as she gives birth. According to her, it dey help people wey not fit born. You dey deceive yourself.
Proper one.
You dey deceive yourself. Now wetin some girls they do now, you go see them, they drive this one, they drive this one. You don't know say na baby factory they don't come.
They don't turn into. Your God, they say, hey, well, you have to work hard. I'm working hard for my money.
Hello. Good morning.
Talk to her. Hey, Roger Paso, they hear you.
Yes, so my brother, Nedu, good morning.
Good morning. We hear you. Talk to us.
Nedu, I pay no vex. Now, which department they work for this country as he takes now? Because that woman, when they talk of church, my brother, don't we go?
My brother, now wetin we dey talk now? Say where you want go, where you want get truth. When you be say everybody not liar.
They do. I didn't have my motor like this. I don't feel entire of it since now. I don't weak. If church can invoke and then go they say, oh, that our pastor very nice.
Yes.
No, say I have that woman get begin. You understand? Police involved for this kind of act. They do where we did. We don't finish like this.
You see, when they talk with you, when I talk with her, they talk. They go this. I don't know what they talk. We don't finish as a country. We not there. We not there again.
We are going down. Nothing remains. If there's no department that is working, look at church.
We support now. Church they go. You see. Now church they go buy the pikin they give people now.
No, for their mind now they go say they are doing the work of God. I get to what I'm saying. I have somebody like this in my own compound in New York. Mama done here. Now her work. Everybody know.
Now her work today.
You go see bele koro. Before 9 months, don't escape. You don't go born, sell and come back. But if you see her now, as I the you, they see be like just right. They suffer them now. So even they fight, then they hold up money. You get one money, we go fight, they want money. You must say, what do you sell for me? No guy disgrace you now. Not giving you
Jesus.
250K.
250,000 for picking where you carry. Hey.
That is why you see somebody when they get old, they go come the time, my pikin, help me. I know they give you. Because I don't know how it takes to live your life. I know they give you because something they make them suffer today. One woman, they work out for free, they make money. Mama, I not give you.
Okay, Pastor, thank you.
Hello.
Yeah, madam, talk to you now. Talk to us now. They do the talk. Will they call you from Wazobia?
No, guys, so you see this story, eh?
Yes.
Let me tell you, they don't start organically.
Mm-hmm.
You don't take. Right from that, when I get my third baby, better.
Yes.
The woman waited beside us for Delta State.
Yes.
This woman don't pick him. And she the outside woman she just there for one corner there.
Yes.
Now one girl just carry a day-old baby from East to come carry and come drop this man. Say, Madam, they come and make I buy something for that place. This girl, I'm gonna see him again.
Wait. Now the outside man, the outside woman will born the pikin. Now you wrong come out.
No, the girl will carry pikin, a day-old pikin.
Oh, he can't carry the outside woman a day-old pikin.
No, the girl born pikin for school. He come up for school.
Okay.
Go born pikin. Come carry the pikin. Come here get information. Say this woman they breastfeed pikin. He can't carry the pikin. Come Delta State.
Come drop him.
Come drop and there. Come tell madam say they come. Make I go to buy something.
Yes.
I said yeah run. No say am again. For one good year, this woman begin to not pikin. And he get your pikin for how he breastfeed though. Now, we know for 1 year. Now the woman can't travel. As she travel go, she can't come back. She come back. She not carry her own baby when he born. Come back. Now that pikin when he carry, now he can't carry come back. Your pikin don't die. Your pikin can't die. And that baby girl when they carry give her, now he can't carry come back.
Hello. Nah, and that thing just cut come out. You see, the question what I want to ask this baby factory when it be say everybody when if you want run to for help they involved for the matter, who go come help who for this matter?
You know, say as you can't bless say government, don't you understand now? Police now. So now even the thing say maybe we go run go church for help.
Now the church we want
now. What can I do? Bless
this one says,
so.
good morning, Oganedu. This thing happened to my wife. Deliver a baby girl. The nurse exchanged my baby, and my wife fight the nurse and went to another hospital to do DNA test, and bring back the report before she later talked true for 2005. Jesus. Good morning, Oganedu. Good morning. This matter not be today. I know one pastor and a wife for Thomas Estate Aja. Then go, but babies 2 girls. Then go come run for the estate another place inside Chevron. Go do naming, and the woman no get belle. Everybody know. Hey, this one say good morning, Wazobia. This topic I want you come out. When I dey school for Owerri, I know one place where them they do the thing for their girls. They go there, they go see bring one man to pregnate them, and after then go sell them. The girls they stay there. Now church get them. Hey! Jesus. Oganedu, this one say my friend married for 17 years now without a child. How can a poor woman adopt a child since the money is in millions? Millions.
So now church now get the apartment.
Good morning, Oganedu Antombo and Auntie Tomu. When I dey small, he get one of my auntie wey no born for long time. Small time she travel go Aba go carry twins come back. As a child, I no understand her. Now you understand her. Hey, Jesus!
Hey, you need to look out for those twins.
This one to say good morning, Oganedu. The word way Njideka talk na true. I know one pastor and his wife. Now Redeemed Church them they go. for the 4 children wey dem get na from Port Harcourt dem buy am. I know them not be saying na them say Emma, this one na from Agbara Estate. The husband and wife na pastor for Redeemed Church. Them dey Okukomaiku side. Una dey hear them?
So pastor and his wife.
Una dey hear them? Then get 4 children. Meanwhile, the 4 children at Port Harcourt then go buy
Then
the
go
children.
they buy. Oh.
You don't understand.
Then later they go say, wait on the Lord.
Wait on the Lord.
You will conceive.
Miracle baby.
Conceive.
Meanwhile, then get factory where then
Where they go conceive.
Where they go conceive. Human being conscience is dead. Who can they true? Everybody is wicked.
Everybody.
Very, very.
Everybody is wicked in this country. This one is a good morning. May God help us. So the organ do not true. I used to say I know a family. They just moved out last week. They are married, but now the wife has not given birth. So last year January, the husband come and said you see this Cameroon girl for road, say she need help, need her to help. Suddenly we notice she get belle. She just born November. We just saw them packing their things to move out. So yesterday I saw the lady. She used the baby as take do her WhatsApp. Before then, the Cameroon girl say she will leave the baby and go back to her country. Hey,
Fosa.
Oganedu, good morning. My uncle wife says she adopted Pikin. There's no evidence that the baby was legally adopted. Now she and her husband don't die. Nobody to take care of the Pikin where she go carry from God knows where. Even for the Pikin birth certificate in her signature, they there as the midwife signature. Meanwhile, she's not a midwife.
Hey. Birth certificate not talk to family issuance.
People where then they sell children from hospital, midwives, doctors, pastors, where they get baby factory. We are talking about baby factory here. We talk say if you not fit to do, go adopt Pikin. Take the normal step to adopt children.
Simple.
Simple. Not be to the buy you go see girl her own work na to she don't turn baby factory. You go carry belle after 9 months you don't sell them 2.5 3 million. If you use that 9 months where take a bomb take carry that belle work hustle for yourself, you don't go make pass that money. Yeah, which kind of society will they turn to? And the men, the useless men, when it be say una go now then they call to go impregnate the girls. Una go there, then go line 12 girls. Your own na to chop wow chop come on impregnate them.
Every morning go see them, they go gym, they go chop where they go there. Okay. No work, undress is morning. Then the next thing.
Then they prepare go work.
Okay, the wetin be the difference between adoption and buying baby? La Bista from adoption na make you go motherless babies' homes. Go see the children waiting for that place.
The right process.
The right process. If you want adopt Pikin, carry waka go motherless babies home. The one waiting for Ikorodu, different ones dey.
There are lots of children.
Lot of children dey there. Then go tell you the process to take. You go fill the forms, do everything where you supposed to do as a normal human being. Then they go give you the Pikin. The Pikin go begin answer your name. You go begin train the Pikin. Now buying a baby, now you go hospital, go pay doctor, pay nurse. Person go born Pikin, then go tell and say the Pikin don't die. Carry the Pikin can't give you. Wait there for house, make you the happy say you don't born Pikin. And how then they do them? Some of the women where they do, then go some women self where they give the Pikin. Some of them not they know. They not they know. Say not be them Pikin. Women go cry say they not fit born Pikin, then go tell you say okay Tombo carry your girlfriend go MSU Uliri or go here, then they specialize in giving people children.
They
know how to touch you where Pikin go come. You now go there when you reach it, then go tell you say the money where you go pay say na 10 million, you go pay 10 million, then go give your wife injection where go make her feel like say she get belle. Now they call cryptic pregnancy. Belle go they grow. All the hormones where normal belle thing, you go they happen. Some of them not they know, but some they know. Then you only them go there. Only one nurse go to attend to you, one doctor go to attend to you. One time don't reach as if say you want pump Pikin, then go do what you need to say you go pass out. You go don't pass out for your mind now. You go think say true you want pump Pikin. You don't know say another person Pikin and can't give you belle Pikin not your belle at all. That is the difference. Now the question we'll go ask ourselves now say, what be the reason when it be say for other part of the world You go for America, you go France, you go London, you go Britain, you go every part of the world. Adoption na normal thing. You go hardly hear this matter of say baby factory something that the thief pikin. You go hardly hear them. Why? Because na society where people sense still dey house. Some things when it be said then they do there, na things when it be said normal human beings supposed to do. Not be us for Africa, not be us for this Nigeria where we dey. The wickedness way there for Nigeria na go make other woman because shame now not they make people feel enter go adopt pikin. Be part of the reasons when it be say they make people go do this, go do this baby factory, go thief pikin, go do critic pregnancy where people they even die on top. Some of them now shame make other neighbor not tell them say, oh wanyaga, barren woman, you are a barren woman. You know what I mean? Look at you. I beg go, not touch my pikin, no, not touch my pikin, no. Go born your own pikin, no. Go born your own, go born your own.
Even for family meeting, when people were born, they talk you, they talk.
Now our wickedness, now they make people not the fit come outside go talk say true to the adopt pikin. Now wickedness now they also make people do this bad thing of going to thief another person pikin for hospital, telling the person saying pikin don't die, meanwhile pikin still they alive for another person's house, answering another person's name. Now wickedness of families where your mother go tell you, oh I want to carry my grandchild. Oh don't bring another man's baby into our house. Wickedness of families as well. Now wickedness of churches and some human beings where they call themselves pastors, where go open their mouth talk say you will carry your own child,
you will receive it,
and
meanwhile you know.
Meanwhile you know.
Even the ones where they say they go look for the boy pikin. Boy pikin, but child not child.
Even you man. Most of them when they hear me now, you go tell your wife say no only girl they born, make a born boy for you. If you not born boy for you, you go man another wife make a born boy for you.
The pressure too much now.
Why your wife not go do the cryptic pregnancy, make it for collect boy, so that you go stay for the family? Why you not go do am like that?
Why?
Meanwhile, na the man fault.
Meanwhile, na the man fault.
Exactly.
You don't know. That's what man do. Oh, you're giving me girl. He get 10 girls now from 2 different women. 10, 5. That's what they take.
If you get for body, you get for body. You not get what you want to.
No be you be God.
Not be you be God. God decide to do am the way he be. I beg. One of the ways to stop this child baby factory, this baby factory thing, you where they hear me, you where they hear us for here, we use God to beg you. Make you stop to the insult people who never born pikin.
Not good.
Make we not they criminalize. Make we not they make a look like a dirty thing. One person carry waka go adopt pikin. Go for Bodo Ibo. He get some families, they're not born, but they adopt pikin.
Even the one we born.
Even the one we born, they adopt.
See, they adopt.
Angelina Jolie, she not born. How many children she adopt? Eh? May we stop this wickedness. Make we stop them.
The stigmatization is too much.
It's too much. Now una society una follow all of them go call now. They talk say, oh, he's wicked, he's evil. But you follow the cause am. You are part of the problem.
And some mothers they go even tell their children say, leave Junior. He was adopted. Then when your children they play with her, and you get her, you that they adopted.
You that your mommy said they adopted you. Who is your real father? You're a bastard.
You see?
Who is your father?
What kind of talk be that?
So why people don't go call them?
Why they no go call them?